Imagine completing your income tax assessment without visiting the income tax department or without meeting the income tax officer. Sounds interesting, right? This is the logic behind faceless assessment, the new technology driven assessment. So, this will ensure efficiency, transparency, and technology driven assessment. You can go for faceless assessment from anywhere in the world, 24 bar 7, 365 days. Your physical presence is not required. So that is the reason behind faceless assessment. And now what is the procedure for that? First, you will get an automated message electronically that your assessment is selected for faceless assessment. They will ask you to submit certain documents online. So you have to submit that online documents. Then the assessing officer will assess that. Then the final assessment will be done. So this is an easy procedure. It saves time and it's completely digital and technology driven. And most of the youngsters and the young generation, they like this type of assessment instead of physically visiting the income tax department and meeting the income tax officer in person. Now, what are the advantages? It reduces corruption. It reduces personal bias. It increases transparency. Now it is technology driven and entire world is going through a technology driven techniques, and what everybody is appreciating that. So that is the advantage of going for faceless assessment. Now what are the disadvantages? We know that internet connectivity or Wi-Fi issues or any issues like that, any technological problems that can affect the faceless assessment. Then some people are not aware. See, middle-aged or elderly people, they cannot go for a faceless assessment because they are not that technology driven. They are not used to that technology, how to use the technology and how to come for faceless assessment, digital techniques. They are not aware of that. Then there is no possibility of human interaction. Some people, they want to have physical interaction with the income tax officer if they want to explain or something. So this goes as per the system designed. So you cannot explain anything beyond that. So that some people are considering it as a disadvantage. So when considering the advantages and disadvantages, this is the need of the hour is asking us to go for more technology driven assessments by the income tax department. So in short, if you see that this faceless assessment is convenient, efficient, technology driven, and electronic submission, that many people will appreciate that. It saves time. And more than that, the entire world is going through a technology driven world. So this is the need of the hour, and our income tax department is going for that, just to keep the pace with the other developed countries and to reduce the workload of the income tax department, and they can use more technology driven assessments. So that is the technique behind faceless assessment.